Hi, I'm Sara Gelsheimer, and I'm a Senior Wealth Manager at Plancorp. And I have a very exciting topic to talk about today, life insurance. So where do you even begin? Well, I would suggest first getting a good handle on what life insurance you might already have in place. I have seen where parents will take out policies on their children. So check with your parents first, make sure that they haven't done this. Not generally something I would recommend, but I have seen it happen. So check with your parents. The next place I would check would be an employer. So many companies offer some level of death benefit to you. Sometimes it's just enough to pay for a funeral. Other times it's a multiple of your salary. So check with your HR department to find out what it is you have in place. One thing to note with a group policy like that is oftentimes if you are to leave the company, that life insurance is not going to come with you. So keep that in mind. So once you get a good handle on what life insurance you currently have in place, you need to figure out how much you actually need. So how do you determine this amount? First of all, think about any debts that you have. So for most people, their mortgage is their biggest form of debt. So you want to be sure you have at least enough death benefit to cover your outstanding mortgage balance. Also, any other, credit card, car debt, any other debt that you need to be paying off at your death. The second piece to consider would be income replacement. So this is incredibly important, especially if you have a family. So you need to think about how long, how many more years you would be potentially working and missing out on that income. So if you need help figuring out that number, certainly financial advisors can help you. There are calculators online that can also help you make that determination. So once you figure out how much you need, then you need to go and get insurance. So what kind of insurance should you get? I generally recommend term insurance. And term insurance provides a death benefit for a specific term, such as 15, 20, or 30 years. And the whole idea here is that, during your working years, and when you have young children, for example, that's when life insurance is most important. If something happened to you during that time, that would have a significant impact on your family. So term insurance provides insurance for that specific term that you would need it. Now, if you live past that term, the policy goes away. But the benefit is that you're paying much smaller premiums for term insurance than you would whole life insurance, for example. So particularly for young people, term insurance is generally what I recommend. And how do you get it? I would definitely encourage you to work with a broker, an insurance broker who could shop various policies to find the best quote for you. Term insurance is pretty straightforward, and so if you can find, a reputable company, usually it's, finding the one that has the best rate, premium payments that you can get is the way to go. Certainly, if you have any other questions about life insurance in general, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.